good day, good day. You too. Thank y'all for tuning in for another video. First and foremost, I just want to let y'all know today is another great day. Why? Why is today another great day? Because every day that God made, He said was good. Are we gonna have some rough moments, some not so happy moments? Yes, there are going to be some tough situations, all that good stuff, right? It's going to be happening throughout the day. But it's childish for us to say, oh, because X, Y, and Z happened today, I had a bad day. No, that's very childish, right? We got to be out of our feelings, right? We got to constantly be transformed by renewing of our mind, thinking of those good things, those lovely things, those things that are honest, just, true, right? So, hey, I had a good day. I hope y'all also had a good day. Now, let me get into what happened today in these markets. I left money on the table. Yes, somebody owes me a good smacking up the backside of the head because I left money on the table today. Anyway, so this is kind of how the trade played out. So we seen that I got stopped out in profit, which is a good thing. I understand that. I understand that, this whole move wasn't mine. I understand that, right? I did what I could control as far as following my plan. People can say I did what I can control as far as my plan, right? And my plan was to execute and trade up into here somewhere. What did I want to get to? Yeah, I wanted to get to this high. That's where I had it initially marked up at. However, what ended up happening is I did not manage to trade properly. I seen these big wicks and stuff like that, and I moved my stop loss prematurely, and it cost me to essentially not make the whole get all what I had desired or aimed to make today. Um, but anyway, nonetheless, lesson learned. Be a little bit more patient. Um, you know, don't be in a rush. Don't be persuaded and get in my feelings due to the candle movement, right? It's a constant journey. I'm constantly working on myself and improving, finding ways to improve, right? And yeah, just slow down a little bit, right? And don't be in my feelings. Be automatic, robotic, and just follow according to my plan, right? So other than that, man, it was a good day. I was able to be in profit. I made a profit today, and grateful for that. So if y'all could take anything from this from my lesson today is continue to be robotic in your approach to markets. Continue to follow according to your plan. Continue to not deviate from your plan. Be disciplined. Be self-controlled. Be obedient to do what you had planned to do, right? And do not have the spirit of fear. Have the spirit of power, love, sound mind, right? If you get stopped out along the way, you get stopped out. You did what you could do. Your plan was executed and it was executed according to plan. And don't be like what I did today. Executed not according to my trade management plan and ultimately caused me to not get exactly what I could have potentially made according to my plan. Right. So stay blessed by the best. God always.